So this is the next question we want to solve on using logarithm table to evaluate given expressions. Here we have this expression that is the cube root of the square of 565 times 0.0536 divided by 249.1. So what we need to do is to rule our number log like this, and fit in the number, then log. The first number, we pick numbers one by one. So the first number is 565. 565. Naturally, there's a point. There's no point that is there, is at the back of 5, but for this purpose, it has to be at the back of the first digit, which is this one. So that will be 1, 2 steps to the left. And that has reduced the value to 5.65. So because of that, the character is positive 2 because of the 2 positive steps. That's to the left there. Then we're going to check logarithm 56 under 5 using logarithms table. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I'll go to 56 under 5. This is 56. So under 5 is 7520. I have 7520 there. So then the next thing is to check for the second figure, which is 0.0536. This one, like we did for the first one, that we put the point after this 5 to get these 2 steps that we put here. I'm going to do the same thing, but the point is already showing here, not at the back of 6, but at the back of that 0. So we're going to move it to the back of 5, like 1, 2 steps. This is also 2 steps, but since it's to the right, that is bar 2. Then we're going to check logarithm 53 on the 6. 53 on the 6. So 53 is somewhere here. Then on the 6 should be 73,007,300. 7,300. But because we are multiplying these two numbers at the top, so we have to add these two values together. So for 565 times 0.0536, it's going to be the addition of this. Take note that it's a negative here. Okay. So we have
Yes, sir.
yeah, we have 0 plus 0 gives 0. 0 plus this gives 2. This is 8. This is 14 plus 1 plus 2. That is 1 plus that's 3. 3 plus minus 2. That is 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we are through with all of the numerators. Now remain only the denominator here. So the denominator is 249.1. 249.1. So we'll move the point from where it is to the back of the first digit, which is 2. That will be 2 steps to the right, which is positive. Then there will be 24 under 9, difference 1. 24 under 9, difference 1. So this is 24. Under 9 is 3962, difference 1 is 2, so that's 3964. That's 3964. Then what do we do with it? The numerator is this, the denominator is this. So we're going to subtract them because we are dividing between the two. So I'll have to change this line that is here so I can divide. So to divide, I have to write it now. Let me say this is 565 times 0.0536 all over 249.1. So whatever is supposed to be the result is what I'm going to have here. So that will be, yeah, that will be subtraction. 0 minus 4 is not possible, so that's 6 minus 4. That's 10 minus 4, that's 6 because I borrow 1. So 1 minus 6 is not possible. That's 11 minus 6, that's 5, because I borrow 1. 7 minus 9 is not possible. That's 13. 17 minus 9. And what is 17 minus 9? Yeah, what is 17 minus 9? That's 8, right? So 8. 17 minus 9 gives 8. Then 3 minus 3 gives us 0 because we're borrowed out. Then 1 minus 2. Okay, no, it's not minus 6, it's plus 2. So 1 minus 2 is bar 1, okay?
Okay.
Exactly, because it's not a minus. So this is what we get for the whole expression. Now remains to square it according to log. Now the next step is the step of squaring. Let me just call it out from here. This is the step we want to carry out to square the whole expression. So it's gonna be, square this. So everything we're going to do now is to multiply this expression at the top by 2. But multiply by 2, it stands in for whatever this one's supposed to give us. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then we have 6 times 2 is 12, keep 1. 5 times 2, 10, 11, keep 1. 8 times 2, 16, 17, keep 1. Then 3 times 0, 0. Then 2 times bar 1 is bar 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now that we have multiplied, the next step to do is to find the cube root according to the question. So finding cube root means we're simply going to divide by 3. So find the cube root. We're going to divide this by, so the whole expression is here. That means everything we get from above, we're going to divide by 3 to give us whatever this one stands for. But look at this. This 3 is bigger than the bar 2. So we have to replace bar 2 with a bar 3. But we don't want to change this bar 2. So we must add something to our bar 3 to give us what, which is the bar 2 that was there. That is minus 3 plus something gives a minus 2. So x should be minus 3 plus, minus 2 plus 3. When you bring this 3, it becomes positive. So this will be positive 1. So if x is 1, that means we have minus 3 plus 1 gives us bar 2. We're going to use this to replace bar 2 in the expression. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Because we do not want to change the actual value. We're just looking for the convenient method to use. So what we now have is...
Will you repeat what you said again?
Okay, said we're not willing to change bar 2, okay? Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Bar 2 should always be bar 2, but we can split it into bar 3 plus 1 to give us bar 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. So I'm going to remove this now. So I will replace this bar 2 with what? Bar 3 plus 1. Bar 3 plus 1. That 1 is going to be standing to be added to stand as a place value behind this first one to make 11. So 1712 divided by 3. So the division starts from the front. Remember, when we want to multiply, we started from the back. Okay. But when we want to divide, we start from the front. So by 3 divided by 3 gives us by 1. Then point. Now, how many 3 is in 11? That is 3, which is 9. We add 2, making 27. How many 3 in 27? That is 9, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then how many 3 in 1? That is 0. How many 3 in 12? That is 4. So this is our answer that we're going to take out of logarithm, okay?
Okay.
So now take this out of logarithm that by checking antilog, then we have our 0 point as the answer used to read from antilog. So antilog 39 under 0 difference 4. Let's go ahead and check antilog of numbers. So antilog 39 under 0 difference 4. 39 under 0 is 2455. Difference 4 is 2. That's 2457. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Difference 4 is somewhere. So 2455 plus 2457. So we have 0.2 4, 5, 7. 5, 7. If you add 1 to this place, based on the rule that if you add 1 to take it out to know where your point will be, if you add 1 to bar 1, you have 0. So that means we're not changing any step, and this should be our answer. So let's now try to check it on the calculator and see if it's going to give us the same answer, okay?
Okay, sir.
So we have 565 times 0.0536. So this gives me 30.284. Now divided by 249.1. 249.1. Oh, that's 7.1. So it gives me this. Then I will have to square it. That's a square. Then it gives me this. And I will have to find the square root of that. Give me 0.2454, right?
Yes, sir.
I will got 0.2457, which is in line with the Norwegian table. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to give you some time to put it down. And when you're through, I will send, or better still, I will send this note to you, and I'm sending the video to you, like I said, okay?
Okay, sir.
So what I will do is to get you the assignment, something you're going to do as assignment. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So I can start putting down. 6 that doesn't take much of the time.